Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. So let's get started. First, open the Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Tap on the buy option from the top of your screen. In the coins purchase section, you will see all the available packs and amount of coins you can buy. Simply select the amount of coins that you want to buy by tapping on the corresponding pack. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the payment process. Once the transaction is complete, the coins will be added to your game immediately. And this is how you can buy coins on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.